Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a video, a very nice video in fact, on TikTok using your photos. First we'll open the TikTok app, then you're going to press the plus icon in the middle of the screen there, and you're going to select gallery. And then you'll switch it over to image, and you'll select the images that you'd like to use. Simply press on it, then press selected, and then you can select numerous images. And then the thing about it is, after you've selected the images, you can shift them by simply holding onto the image. You can move them into the position that you'd like. Another way you can make some nice videos with your pictures is by using templates. By simply selecting templates, and then you can select the template that you would like. As you can see here, there are numerous options that they give you. But with each template, you are able to add a certain amount of photos to it. As you can see, with this one you upload 2 to 5 photos and it gradually shifts them, which is very cool. And then you'll see with that one and this one you can only upload one. After you have selected the template, give it a few seconds to download, and then you'll see it pops up and asks you to select a photo. I've selected this photo. And after you have selected the photo, you simply press OK and it will process it. As you can see there, now you have a cool video with also some nice audio. Hope you found this video informative.